My in-laws, you are here.
You are here.
You are welcome.
My name is Chief Okocha One of Okemini Land. Yes. I'm an importer, exporter, and transporter.
Oh, yes, so.
One kweku, one meme.
One
wetego.
Oh, yeah.
Okwaya?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Baba, we came for your daughter's hand in marriage. This my brother here said he wants to marry your daughter. But despite the problem she has told him that your family is suffering from.
Precious, will you marry me?
Oh my God, Marshall, are you serious?
Yes.
But the issue is just I have so many problems bothering me now. I'm not sure you can get married to me.
Problems?
Yeah.
Baby, don't worry, your problem is my own problem. You don't know what God has joined together. No man can obstruct, can touch it, can put asunder. I'm your hero. I will be your hero, baby. Please, baby, I love you, marry me.
Okay, if you insist. The thing is just that we are 20 in numbers in our family. 10 girls and 10 boys plus my father and mother, making us 22. I'm the only one catering for the family. I have 5 of my siblings in the university and they've not paid anything since they started. So actually they are owing the school 20 million naira and I have to pay that before they can get their certificate.
Huh? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
My elder brother is a chain smoker. He smokes cigarettes, weed, and even trees. So one day while he was smoking at the backyard, his head knocked. And so they said I should bring 10 million naira in the hospital for a brain surgery.
Blood of Zachariah.
My younger sister, she was trying to light the gas, so the flame burnt her face. I took her to the hospital and they requested for 10 million naira for a plastic surgery. My other brother, while trying to pluck oranges from a tree, fell down and broke his neck.
Jesus.
And I'm to pay 15 million naira for the surgery too. We are owing our landlord 10 million naira for rent for 7 good years, and I also have to pay that. My mom, she's a diabetic patient and she also has cancer, and I need 7 million naira for her treatment. And me, Marshall, I'm HIV positive. But thank God for bringing you to me, Marshall. I'll marry you.
What? We still summon courage after these problems to marry your daughter. So we came here for the bride price.
Precious.
Yes, Dad.
You go and get me the bride price list. My in-law, this is the bride price list of our community. Say sub-section 1, number 1. You have to buy 52 plots of land for yam cultivation for the girl's father, which is me. Number 2, say 272 cattle and 30 Fulani herdsmen for the girl's father, which is me.
Blood of Zachariah.
Say number 3, you have to construct the village farm road that links from our own village to the other village. Then
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
number 4, you have to provide scholarships for her siblings and cousins from their primary, secondary, university, PhD, masters, and even till their children get married. You have to train them.
Every child is a
Number 5, you buy 1 private jet for the family and 3 G-Wagon for the brothers, which they can be using to go around. You understand? Number 6, you buy iPhone X for all her ex-boyfriend since she was born. Then 7, is this 32 or 52?
It should be 52.
52. You have to buy 52 keke for all the. Precious, where are our in-laws?
I don't want to chase them away when you're bringing out list as if we're going for sacrifice. It's not just wedding.
From now henceforth, I've disowned you. I am fatherless. I don't need a father.
Thanks for watching that wonderful video. Hope you enjoyed it. That video was the part 2 of marriage proposal. To watch the part 1, click the link on the description. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with your friends and family. See you next time. Peace up.